day everyone! Welcome to another video lesson in mathematics, presented to you by Teacher Jhaz. Today, I'll discuss to you rounding off decimal numbers. To start with, let us have a short exercise. Given two whole numbers, 7 and 8, what do you think is the decimal number where the arrow is pointing at? That's right. The arrow is pointing at 7 and 7/10. Given two decimal numbers, 3.2 and 3.3, what is the decimal number where the arrow is pointing at? You got it right. The decimal number is 2.7 or 2 and 7/10. Let's try this one. Having the given four decimal numbers in the number line, the arrow is pointing at what decimal number? You're correct. The arrow is pointing at 5.02 or 5 and 2/100. How about this one? What decimal number is the arrow pointing at? Great! It is pointing at 4.22 or 4 and 22/100. Now, let us have this lesson on rounding decimal numbers. Rounding means adjusting the digits within the number up or down. We round numbers to make them simpler to work with, to estimate answers, or to explain how near a number is to another number. When you are asked to round a number, you will be given a place value position to round the number to. Here are some examples. Round 7 to the nearest 10, round 3.2 to the nearest whole number, round 143 to the nearest hundreds, round 5.78 to the nearest tenths. Let us have these as our first example. Round 3.2 to the nearest whole number. Here are the steps on how to round decimal numbers. First, identify the digit in the given place value. Since we are asked to round a given number to the nearest whole number, then the digit 3 must be underlined. After this, look at the digit immediately to its right, and the digit next to it is 2. The digit 2 will be the basis if you have to round up or round down. If this digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the whole number rounds down or it stays the same. But if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the whole number rounds up and 1 must be added to it. So 2, being the next door digit of the whole number 3, shows the 3 must be rounded down. That is why 3 stays the same. The rounded number is 3. How about trying to round 5 and 78/100 to the nearest tenths? To round off, first is to identify the digit in the given place value. So, the digit in the tens place is 7. After this, look at the digit immediately to its right, and the digit next to it is 8. The digit 8 will be the basis if you have to round up or round down the digit in the given place value. So 8, being the next door digit of 7, shows that 7 in the tens place must be rounded up, and also means that it must be added by 1. So the rounded number is 5.8 or 5 and 8/10. How about rounding this decimal number to the nearest hundredths? First, identify the digit in the hundredths place. The digit 9 is in the hundreds place. Then, look at the digit immediately to its right, and this is 7. The digit 7 tells us to round up. So, 9 must be added by 1. Rounding 3.197 to the nearest hundreds gives 3.20 as the rounded number. Let us have this rounding practice. See if you can round a given number to the indicated place value. Round 15.846 to the nearest whole number. The rounded number is 16. Did you get the same answer? Great! How about rounding the same given number to the nearest tenths? The answer is 15 and 8 tenths. Next is by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Did you round up or round down? That's right, we have to round up. And this gives us 15.85 or 15 and 85 hundredths as the rounded number. Were you able to give the same answer? Good! Now, see if you can round each given number to the nearest underlined place. Do you have the same answers as these rounded numbers? How many correct answers did you get? Wow, that's impressive! How about giving another try to the following rounding riddles? Read the following clues to help you get the answer. You have 20 seconds to think about the answer to this riddle. Do you have an answer already? What is it? The answer is 7 and 848 thousandths. Try another one. Your 20 seconds starts now. The answer to the riddle is 738 thousandths. Did you get the same answer? Awesome! How about trying to answer this another riddle? What's the mystery number? Great! The number is 1 and 827 thousandths. Have you enjoyed our lesson? I hope that you have another MathTerrific learning. Until next time, goodbye!